words. I hope you're having a great day. Can you believe it? Oh my goodness, it's almost the middle of the semester, and I'm very excited to come here today to tell you guys about a few things regarding Google Forms. So Google Forms is one of my favorite form creation tools online. I love it more than SurveyMonkey. I love it more than Qualtrics. And I just think it's simple, it's easy, it sends push notifications to my phone, stuff like that. So I really love it. And if you have not used Google Forms yet, I would encourage you to dive into Google Forms and to, as you're using it, figure out how you can integrate it into your work life or your future work life. Okay, so as you can see, we have our Scholar project number 1. And so this week is dedicated to designing a survey and crowdsourcing ideas. So basically, crowdsourcing means if you are coming up with ideas on your own, like we did throughout the past 4 weeks, and then you toss the concept to the general public or to people that you know at work, and they help you form additional ideas, and then you integrate those ideas into your research or into your project. For example, companies do this all the time. If you think about like, say for instance, if companies want to come up with a new logo and they pitch it out to individuals, like whether in their shop or virtually on Twitter or Instagram or whatever, then they say, hey, help us generate a new idea or help us generate a new logo. Other people come up with all of these amazing ideas, and that means that the company does not necessarily have to compensate or pay someone for coming up with those ideas. So that means that they are working smarter and not harder. And also they get some buy-in from the people who already like their brand or like their product or like their company. Okay, so let's dig in. Let's create our form. So I basically did the create form, and each of you will have this on your document anyway. I will actually link it up here, but each of you will have a form. And then, well, actually, I might put it down here. So on your form, you will, as you can see, it's due on March the 3rd, which is Sunday. But you guys, this will not take a lot of time. So all that you will need to do is to create the form. So for instance, if I state in the name of the project, this one was Commerce Focused Social Media. So additional ways, or we'll just put innovative ways to use social media. We'll just say commerce focused social media. We'll just say developing innovative ways to use commerce focused social media. And remember, this is for people who have not been part of your project for the last 4 or 5 weeks. So for the description, this form is, okay, we'll just thank people. Thank you for helping our group, our communication research group, our social media communication research group, develop more ideas for our project this semester. With your help, we will develop an infographic focused on additional ways that companies, individuals, and organizations can use social media to reach their goals. To help you come up additional ideas. And remember, I'm not writing this for an academic audience, so that's a little bit about the background of how or why I'm using these words. To help you come up with additional ideas, we want to provide the definition of commerce focused social media. And so that definition is basically social media usually in the form of apps that provide transactions that help individuals make or process yes electronic money. We will just put money based, or we'll just say electronic payments because it's what it is. Okay, so we provided them a definition of what commerce focused social media is. So if you have any questions, new keyboard guys, please contact me, and I'll just put Dr. Jennifer Edwards at drjtedwards or jtedwards at tarleton.edu. Okay, so we have that. So now I developed 2 questions so far. We have first name and we have last name to develop, and you can make these short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, check boxes, drop downs. You can have them upload files, a linear scale, a multiple choice grid, a checkbox grid, and then time and date. So I just put first name and short answer, last name and short answer. One thing that I will do is just you can click this button to make it required. So it's a button to the lower right hand corner to make it required for each question. And then also, just in case you want to ask them additional questions, you can ask for their email address. Okay, so, and I'll just put like that one's not required. Okay, so next, we have sharing information. So I'm looking on your paper again, and it says describe the technology. So we will not have them do that because we already provided them with the definition, but sharing information. So we will put let me give them some examples of these apps. Social media apps include the Cash app. Come on, you can do it, computer. This is what happens when you have a lot of things running in the background. The Cash app, Venmo. Let's see, not really PayPal app, but Venmo, Cash app, and let's see what else. Zelle. And I downloaded a new one this weekend. Apparently the Girl Scouts were using it, and I used it to clear up some transactions, but it was, I'm looking on my telephone. It was the Clover. PayPal or Clover. Okay, so there we go. So you have the first name, you provided them with the description and also examples. So you have first name, you have last name, you have email address. What are some additional ways? You can ask them, what are some additional ways that commerce-focused apps can be used, we'll just say used, to share information with others. And you'll just put, for example, sharing information is updating location. And that was one thing about the Clover app. It said, for my safety, and I'll post this a little bit later, for my safety, I have to disclose, or I have to change the settings in my iPhone to let them have the location that the transaction is taking place. So it's just very odd to share information, our amount of transaction, etc. And also, if someone has questions, they can always reach out to you, because because they haven't been in this class for the last 4 to 5 weeks, they could possibly not know about, how apps share information. And if I wanted to go an extra mile, I would produce a video for them, but y'all, I really don't feel like doing that right now. Okay, so some additional ways that commerce-focused apps can be used to provide services. to help businesses provide services. Okay, and we'll put, for example, people always love examples, and I do too. But for example, to make rent payments, to let's see what else, to make rent payments, to pay for, oh, to split a restaurant bill. Okay, got that. Next. Oops. What are some additional ways that commerce-focused apps can be used to help, let's see, used by individuals or companies to help recognize, to help, well, by individuals to improve their status with their friends, or companies to help recognize power, or recognize, we'll just say loyal users. Question mark. And let me delete that. There we go. Next, one more, which is great. And we always press duplicate, so it's right there. I'm not making these required just in case someone doesn't have an idea for that, but that's okay. And then also offering goods. So used by individuals or companies to offer goods. So I have, for example, purchasing Girl Scout cookies, which has been fun. Scout cookies. Purchasing Girl Scout cookies. What else? Purchasing. A lot of people are actually doing this for like purchasing items at a store or a garage sale. I've actually sold something to someone on PayPal at a garage sale, which was interesting. Okay, so next, that's it. So you thank them for their participation. You would just go up to the top and go to, where is it? I think it's settings. I thought it was on here. Oh, there it is. It says your response has been recorded. Thank you for, and I went to settings and then to presentation. Thank you for submitting. Thank you for responding to our survey. Crowdsourcing our brief survey. Please let us know if you have any questions. And so after they do that, then we will also have a free workshop for people who respond to the survey. I have not had lunch, y'all, at the end of the semester. Okay, so we have that. And save. There we go. So that's it. We have first name, we have last name, we have email address, we have question 1, 2, and 3, and we're missing one. So let's see. We had providing services, sharing information, status. Okay, let's see if we can delete some stuff. Maybe I modified this one for status. Yeah, I did. Okay, so we will update this one. Okay, yay! No, let's see. Recognize loyal users. Loyal users, question mark. Okay, and then we will come up with another one. It's supposed to create a new one. There we go. And then we have the status one. All right, so that's it. Let's see. You have their email address. You have their last name. I don't know if you would want their organization, but you can add that as well. I don't need it for my purposes, but that's it. So I will name this as the Commerce Focused Social Media Survey. COMN survey. Okay, and then also one neat thing that I really love about this software is you can go up to customize theme, and then you can go to, you can choose the theme color if you wanted to, and then also apply. And then also you can go to the theme color, and you can add a custom color if you wanted to as well. And then also if you wanted to have a header. And I usually love using these. Let's see if we can find something money related. So looking, not yet. Sometimes they'll add some new ones to make it interesting, but illustrations. I don't see anything money related, but maybe we'll find something. Let's see, turkeys. And I've used this for birthday parties, for baby showers, for a lot of stuff. So get creative if you want to use these or if you haven't used these before. Let's see. I'm looking for the right one, people. Anything money related. Well, I mean, I guess we could do gaming. I don't know. So I'll just use it for this one. I'll use taxis. And let's see if it updated. Oh, it did not. Okay, I'll use shamrocks. Okay, and apply. All right, there we go. But that's it. Hope you guys are having a great day. Let me know what questions you have, and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget, you've done something amazing so far, and you finished your ebook, and I will start getting those together very soon after comps this week, and so everything will go well. Have a good day.